the topic today I chosen it ambiguous grammar. So let us see what is an ambiguous grammar. Ambiguous grammar is title itself says there is ambiguity. There are two meaning or dual meaning. There are two, more than one meaning will be there, or more than one output will get. So let us see the technical definition of ambiguous grammar. Ambiguous grammar is a one that produce more than one leftmost or one more than rightmost derivation for the same sentence. Okay, so such grammar is called as an ambiguous grammar. So we say, I think we'll see, I'll take a best example which I have covered it in the previous classes. We'll see best example is s gives s plus s, s star s, or s or a, which is a string you have to derive a plus a star a. Right, I chosen one of the rule to derive the string a plus a star a. So I'll start with one of the more than one leftmost derivation. I start with the leftmost way. Okay, I start with that is s gives s star s. Here is two rules are there. Then it can be start with any one of the rule from applying a leftmost variable. Okay, that first leftmost variable I replace it on both side. I two LMD I applied. I have taken two separate rule. S gives s star s and other one is s gives s plus s. So now past s is again replaced by that is a, and in other side is s replaced by s plus s, and the leftmost variable again find out. So that in the other side I have to replace that is star s, another side is replaced by a. Okay, so now you have to find out the next leftmost variable that is on the both side, which is replaced by a, and another one, that is there is a only one. Next step is there is a both side have a only one s. Okay, that is itself is a leftmost variable which is replaced by a. Correspondingly, we have produced the parse tree on the both side. It is LMD1 on the side of LMD1. LMD1. Okay, this is LMD2. Okay, so now, so this is see the parse tree, that is parse tree 1 and parse tree 2. The here two leftmost derivation of string a plus a star a is possible. Hence above grammar is ambiguous. Right, there is another way can be conclude that so when you apply the to LMD on the same string, so we'll get the two different parse tree. Then you can say it is a given grammar is ambiguous.